back with a new YouTube video, and today's YouTube video is going to be we getting a new kitten. I know that a lot of like a lot of cats we get, but last time we got trouble. You guys didn't know how I love that, so I will link in my bio. You guys can watch it, and now we're going to get a new one. I'm not going to tell you all the details yet because I want to tell you guys like when we get there and everything. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's going to be an awesome video. So yeah. Love you guys, and yeah, and thumbs up my social media down below. Just go follow all my social medias, and that's all for this YouTube video. And turn your notification when I post a new video like this one. So yeah, ready, Haley, for a new kitty?
Hopefully
I see our parents because we had to talk to our mom and dad first. So yeah, because we were so low of them, so we had to hope they say yes. But I think so. So yeah. Okay guys, we are on the way to get the little kitty, our new family member. So yeah, stay tuned for see the little kitty. I'm not going to say it's girl or boy because I want to surprise you guys. Stay tuned. 2 more minutes till I see my new kitty. Haley, are you excited?
yes.
And Jenny driving over there. Jenny, are you excited for getting a new kitty?
No.
Why? She's not happy, guys. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
I'm sad. Put this on YouTube. Okay, guys, we here, but I'm not showing people houses because it's not good. So we are here, and next clip, you're going to see the little kitty. We are waiting for the kitty, guys. The kitty is hiding right now, so they had to find her. Yeah, Haley, say hi, buddy. Jenny right there. She's waiting too. Hi, Jenny.
Bye, Brittany. Pretty late.
She is cute. The kids found her on the way walking to school.
I love this.
She came running out.
Look, guys.
Her
tail, guys. So tiny.
She's just a tiny baby. Aw, look how she snuggles with you. Brittany, you love her?
Yeah, she's so cute. That's my
tiny.
girl.
We still gotta figure out a name for her, though.
No, it's Pixie.
Alright, hold on.
Look, guys, I got my little girl here. Oh, she's giving me kisses.
She does?
On my chin. Oh, look how cute she is. Ready to see our other kitties? And Toby.
We're gonna go show Dad now. Toby!
Toby, sorry guys, my dog barking.
Look how he's standing.
Oh, look
Why is she standing like that?
Hey, Daddy, going to react it to him.
Here's your baby.
Oh, wow, that's way too small.
Take her. Grab her.
Look how small
She eats
is.
regular food and goes in the litter box and everything.
She won't let me out.
Honey, grab her. She's
All
clawing
right,
me.
I'm trying.
It's because of Toby. You should see how her
Oh my
They
God.
found her underneath a bush, her kids.
This is way too
Yep. She was
small.
all by herself. She eats regular I'm going to go get her kitten food.
So cute.
Oh.
I said, that's going to be Daddy's baby. That's going to be Daddy's baby. Look. Look at, oh no, he's in love. Look at him.
Thomas loves her already.
So cute.
I knew
She
you were
is.
gonna. And you're in love, girl kitten. So what did I tell you?
That's all she said on the way home. And James is gonna be so in love.
So cute.
Oh,
Guys.
she already loves her daddy.
Look at
Look at her.
her on the bed. No.
Or make sure you don't get the.
Toby went under.
Oh my gosh.
She already loves. Oh my God, Mom, look! She snuggled up to him. She's already daddy's girl.
Yep. Look at him.
That's so cute, Haley.
Someone's a daddy's girl already.
Oh yeah, look at her.
Yeah. The princess. The food over there. I don't know. I think we want to buy more food. So, and then go down here. The aisle. And the toys over here. More toys. But I don't know we're going to buy this, but I don't know toys we're going to buy. So yeah. So guys, I am giving my little kitty food because we are back home. The last clip we went to the store and buy food and toys. They really didn't have much toys here because I don't know. So we have a couple toys here. Small toys when Trouble was baby because we buy some cat toys when Trouble was baby. So we going to use those. So yeah, so I'm going to open my food. There's my kitten food. And I'm going to not give it a lot because she's a baby and we really tiny. So I'm not going to give it, I mean, half, a little bit more. And I think she maybe like right here. Guys, look at next to it. Trouble don't like my little kitty. So
For hurry, because he's gonna be mad.
okay, look at her reaction, guys. She eating. Oh my god, so cute. But she's really hungry, guys. Okay, now I have to do Toby's, but I'm not going along it because it's our video. So she's eating, guys. Look at the kitty. Look at our cable box. Oh, she's so cute. Now she restoring.
Look at how little
Beck is. Drop. Oh my god. Look how cute.
Yeah, film all that mess over there.
Princess.
Oh, did you tell them their name?
Oh, that her name is Princess, guys. If you guys didn't know, if I didn't tell you guys. Water bottle is, and look at Princess. My gosh, she's so tiny. Oh my god. Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
Look at this one, guys. A full water bottle, and then look at Princess. My god.
Somebody tell us.
You can tell for her to be up on
Oh,
stuff.
I heard she just looked up at you. She's so cute. Look at this, Britt. She's so cute. Turn over her.
Come here. She's playing, guys.
Does she not know how to play?
Probably not. She's little. See? Toby. He's like, what is that?
Look at Toby, guys, right there.
Mom, what is that little thing? Now watch out, because the trouble, like, leave him alone now.
Aw, they're kissing.
Aww. Hey.
She mad.
Okay.
She mad.
That's trouble.
Oh.
That's fine.
Oh.
Good boy.
boy.
Good boy, Toby.
Look,
Good
guys.
boy.
She's on my lap.
She was just playing, guys.
Look, guys.
Oh, there she goes. We got two bodyguards. Bodyguard number 1. Bodyguard number 2.
Guys, remember a whole vlog like this a baby, Trouble, but it had not tiny as this, but Trouble was
Yeah, Trouble was already like 7 months old.
Yeah, but he was still
6,
a
7
baby,
months
but
old, yeah.
I got him.
Not 7, but like 5, 6 months
Yeah.
old. Jeez, we don't even know how old.
Yeah, but
She's
she really
tiny.
Yeah, tiny. So I'm going to put our purses in the pantry.
Oh, look out, you guys. Literally, she's this tiny.
Look.
That's the baby's toy. Oh gosh. I want to taste it. The cat tree already.
Yeah, look, mouse right here, and we have plant. But I don't want her up there because she will hurt herself, you know.
Aww.
High five. High five. High five.
Now we got the tunnel out, you guys. Sorry for all the dust flying around. And sorry for our dad screaming in the background because he's playing his game. You guys probably remember this from old videos.
Yeah. Now he's back playing his game again.
See, it's
Look, crying.
that was Trouble. Trouble's still not a huge fan of her. You can see Princess through there.
Get her?
No,
No. Okay. I'm not biting her. Oh,
No.
it's okay. It's okay.
Trouble. It's okay. Oh, now Timer's just coming to check her out. Trouble's on that end. There's Princess. And there's Thomas. Smacked him. He looked back. Oh, I got a bad headache. Hey, it's okay. Here. I got that on video.
There's no more casseroles.
It's okay, it's just my hand. It's okay.
There's no more casseroles, so I'll throw it first.
Okay.
Follow this one.
Oh my gosh.
What is so cute? The cutest picture? Okay guys, we're going to give Johnny, our new cat, a reaction. 1, 2, 3, open.
Oh my. Hey there, buddy. Hey there, little princess. Yeah. Princess. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Oh, she's so fragile. She's
So cute.
She's like, I'm enjoying the lovin's I'm getting today.
Mm-hmm. My dad, Haley, Johnny, me,
James fall in love with her.
Yeah?
and now you.
Oh, no, no.
Aw. Okay guys, I'm done for this YouTube video. I got my new kitty. Super excited.
She's behind you.
Over here. She's really wild actually, so I can't sit with her and like just like that. So she's so cute. I love her so much. She's so tiny. Look at her, guys. But she's so cute. I can't hold her for long because she's really wild and kitty. But last time I did Trouble, I sit with him, but he was calm. But she is really crazy. Look, right there. Hi guys. But yeah. But guys, I hope you guys like this YouTube video. Thumbs up. My social media is down below, so please go follow all of them, and also turn your notifications for any surprises like this one or anything else. And stay tuned for more videos because October is going to be crazy, like a lot of fun things. So stay tuned, actually. So guys, I love you, and that's all for this YouTube video. And I hope you guys like my new kitty. Hope you in a new journey with you like my other kitty.
Did you tell them the name?
Wait, yeah, her Princess. Remember her brother tell them that too. So yeah, her name is Princess because she's so cute and our first girl. So yeah, and look, guys, Jean back there. So if you guys didn't see that, but yeah. But guys, that's all. I love you guys, and that's all. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just remember, you are beautiful, Brittany Swad. Bye, Brittany Swad. Brittany Swad for life.